Hi, it's Paul from OnAir with another Tech Take, and we're at Integrate 2025 with a partner of ours, TVU. Ian Thomson, good to have you here on the show.
Thanks, Paul. It's great to be here.
We know you guys for a long time for bonded cellular backpacks, but there's a whole lot more to TVU.
Sure, certainly is. So yes, we've got one of our bonded packs here. This is the RPS One, so that's got 4 inputs. So I can do 4 full HD sends or a 4K send, 6 modems internal, and certainly that's a big part of our business still, but a lot more of our business these days is some of our SaaS services and so on. What we're showing up here is TVU Producer. This is a video production control room in the cloud. We can run up to 4 video inputs on here. We have clip plays, we have native integration with different crawls, graphics and so on. Obviously, as you can see, we've got some graphics on here at the moment, a little bug up in the corner.
So you've been able to add our logo on there fairly easily?
Very simply. You emailed it to me 5 minutes ago and I just basically copied it up, and once it was copied up to the cloud, it's as simple as just putting it on there, and I can clear it away just as simply as well too. Obviously with this system, it works like any other video switcher. You've got a program and a preview. It's very easy to actually cut between the two with a simple video cut button like that. We're sending videos from our pack here in quite a challenging RF environment, I must say. So we're actually able to get a good consistent video frame rate through here. This is 1080i. And we're getting good frame rate through, low latency. We're still running at around about only half a second at the moment, which is great. I've also got a second source going here, which is actually TVU Anywhere.
That's your phone there, is it?
That is my phone there running, and TVU Anywhere is basically, that's a video transmission pack on a phone, and it does bonded as well. So we are actually sending video via the cellular data and also via Wi-Fi as well. We have a Wi-Fi router here as well. And it's really simple to add extra video sources into TVU Producer with TVU Anywhere.
So I've downloaded the TVU Anywhere app onto my phone.
Sure.
How do I go about joining it in here?
It's as simple as we want to add another video source. So we just click there. We're going to pick, and TVU Producer can take all of these different video sources, including files from YouTube, HTML, RTMP, SRT. What we want to do is we want to pick a TVU Anywhere source. You'll see up in the corner there's a little thing to scan that code.
Okay, so it said success.
Yep, once it's successful, we'll see it list down here in the list of available sources. I should see it come up amber first, which means it's connecting, and then it should go green. I think I've already got you there now, so we just click the button there to tick that button. That's the source we want to take live. We add that to the sources, and we now have Paul's iPhone coming in as well as an additional source into our thingo. And we can change between basically the front and the rear camera. We can adjust the send quality on that, and that is a bonded video transmitter on the phone. The app itself is free of charge, and we can take it straight to Producer as a software as a service solution. If I want to take Paul to air now, I simply put him onto the preview bus and then cut across. Looking very handsome, mate, but I think we'll go back to something else. So we'll just dissolve back to the other source over there. TVU Producer is available with either 4 live video inputs or 8 video inputs, multiple clip players. You can create IP video feeds into it, such as SRT. We will actually take YouTube videos as well. We'll pass off the ads at the front of it and so on. Custom video layouts. One of the big things that we're finding these days is that content broadcasters want content producers to be able to do more of the work for them and so on, and so we do SCTE insertion. So if you're feeding other platforms and so on, or CDN networks, or even YouTube, now we'll take a SCTE trigger and SCTE decorated content in order to actually trigger ads on their platform. So we can do that simply by going to the SCTE app here, and you configure the sort of ad break that you want to do, the pre-roll and the length of the ad break, and we can decorate the output content with SCTE, which is supported by every broadcaster in Australia that's using this.
So it's as easy as that to get started with cloud production. You don't even need any hardware, just TVU and OnAir Solutions. Contact us for a custom solution or visit onair.au.